My husband is here. Myself, we are going to interact about save money and how not to spend money. And so tell me, what is your advice on brand and all that for the younger generation?
See, the brand, third week is very bland, fourth week, no money in the
So now you are arranging the dishwasher and all that.
dishwasher. You have to first segregate the vessels.
Hi everyone, welcome to my new vlog. So I'm right now in the kitchen and with me, my husband is here.
Hi.
Hi, hello Mr. Knox.
Hi.
Hi.
How are
Welcome
you?
to my channel. So my husband and myself, we are going to interact about the younger generation on the tips on how to save money and how not to spend money and spend money cautiously and all that. So such kind of interactions we are planning to do today. So what are you doing right now?
Just
Arranging the dishwasher. And see, friends, see this, the way he has nicely arranged it, the tumblers, basins and all, and then the boxes here, lunch boxes and everything, and then the spoons and forks here, and the plates are here, and then these milk boiling vessels like this. So I have also given you this vessels tour on what it is right now. And so tell me, what is your advice on spending money and saving money and all that, especially saving money for the younger generation, the Gen Z and Gen Alpha generation.
Yeah, there are a few things. You have to spend very mindfully. You have to spend wherever it is required because you need to experience life as well. But at the same time, you have to start saving very early and you have to save in multiple ways because I never got introduced to mutual fund stocks at early age. So you have a lot of options to save now. So you probably will have to tap on those. So you have to have a balanced expenditure and savings lifestyle.
Yeah.
So typically today, if you see how does salary
So what
class,
is your advice on brand? You were saying.
yeah, that's what I was trying to say today. So today, if you see how does the salaried class react in the major cities mostly. So
Tell me, what is your advice on brand and all that for the younger generation?
see
Who
today,
keeps
if you
spending?
see, today if you see how does the salaried class react across a month. First week is very grand. Second week is about the brand. Third week is very bland. Fourth week, no money in the hand. So you need to spend mindfully.
Okay. Yeah. So now you are arranging the dishwasher and all that.
Yeah.
So how we can ask the maid to arrange the dishwasher, to teach?
So you just have to train them how to arrange the dishwasher. You have to first segregate the vessels.
Okay.
Spoons, tumblers, cups, plates, etc. And if you see the dishwasher here, so you have all the cups here, bigger ones, smaller ones, then the spoons, small plates, bigger plates, etc. And these are the plates which you eat food, etc. And then all the other cooking vessels. So you have to structure it this way. See, if you don't spend time in arranging the dishwasher properly, you will spend more time and the vessels will be not cleaned properly. You will spend more time cleaning it. So my suggestion is you take more time to arrange so that after the cleaning, it becomes very easier for you to use the utensils. You don't have to wash it again. So all the utensils have to be cleaned properly.
Okay then, fine.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye everyone. So you also say no?
Okay, bye.
Share and subscribe.
Like, share and subscribe.
Like,
Gaia
share and
Vlogs.
subscribe to my channel, Gaia Vlogs. Thank you. Bye-bye.
What do you
So you just have to segregate a bit. Now I have to show little, slightly. Yeah.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
Okay.